Here's your super quick reference for a knit stitch. Maybe you haven't knit in a long time, or you just learned and you can't quite remember which direction things go. Here is all you need to know. You're taking your right needle into the first stitch on your left needle from front, the left side of the stitch, to the back. You're going to take your working yarn, wrap it around counterclockwise, so back to front, and then pull that loop out and remove the original stitch from your left needle. So in through the front, the left side, around the back, and pull your loop through. And there is your quick reference for a knit stitch.